Well, today there's going to be some noise around here. We're back in business. Let's get some work done. Welcome to 3D Accuracy, where I'll talk about 3D printing, 3D product design, and 3D injection and die-cast mold design. So last week we were kind of on hold, ordered the cup wheel for my angle grinder. Friday, I went and picked up the part. Today is Sunday. So I have the part. Let me show you what that looks like. I got one of these guys. It's a 4.5-inch cup wheel, fits with my 4.5-inch angle grinder, and it's supposed to do a really good job for cleaning the floor. Come on, focus. There we go. There's the order number for those who are interested in what I'm using. And I picked up another one of these wheels while I was at Lowe's getting all the stuff. Picked up some chalk line for putting the chalk marks on the floor, for laying the tile out. So got all kinds of things. Picked up a paint bucket, got another gallon of wall paint. Originally I bought 1 gallon because there were storage cabinets across the back wall in the shop, and I didn't think I'd need that much paint. But after I tore those down, I got thinking about it. I thought, you know, I may end up a little bit short. I better grab another gallon. So I did that. So that's all ready to go. And slowly it's coming together. So today what I'm going to do is push everything out of the shop, get everything out of here again, get the 3D printers out, everything possible, and finish grinding the floor. And I just decided, you know, I don't want to take the chance. Some of these areas, I got them sort of clean, but not as clean as the angle grinder did along the walls, along the sides, getting rid of the overspray. So that's why I decided, let's get the cup wheel, let's go ahead and touch up these other spots that look kind of bad and see if we can improve that, so that when I lay the peel and stick floor planks down, should have much better results. Oh, and I did find also, I had to run over to Home Depot as well. I did find some of the Henry's prep. Anyway, I got some of that, and I'll show you guys that stuff later when I get to that point. I'll show you what it is and how you're supposed to use it. Although, like I've mentioned before, this is not an instructional video. This is just what I'm doing in my shop. You know, this is just informational, and I hope you enjoy it. You can see the process, what's going on from beginning to end, and just enjoy the videos. So anyway, let's get to work. I'm going to push everything out, and I'm not going to bore you with that. I'll just pick this video up again after I've done some grinding for the day, and I'll show you what the results are. The dust is just so obnoxious. You saw probably on the other video from a couple days ago that the dust is just so bad. I don't want the camera in here with the all that dust going on. So I'm not going to take videos of actually doing the floor. I'll just show you the before and after. So let me show you a little bit, although you've seen it before. This is what I'm looking to get rid of. All this kind of stuff. And I've got, you know, this back end of the shop here. It's, you know, there's enough of it here that I want to clean this up a little bit better before I start laying the floor down. So that's mostly what I'm after today, is to get some of this out of here, make it look more like that, so that the floor tiles will stick, and get rid of all that whatever the heck that is. Who knows, right? Who knows? Okay. Well, 6:45 Sunday evening. I'm done. I'm finished for today. Got some more things moved out of the shop and some of the floor done. Let me show you what it looks like. You see over here, this area that was really cruddy, got this whole thing cleaned up over here. Looks much better. not 100% perfect, but you know, it's not a brand new floor either. So I still have to do over on this side, and I got to move this flooring again. I got to put it over that way. I got to move that machine and make sure that it's clean over there, and then I'll put it in a clean spot. But I got to do this side over here a little bit, but this side is done. I'm going to go with that. And I cleaned up a little bit over here some more, and it's looking much better. Looking much better. So we're going to go with that. The cup wheel works okay. It's not as aggressive as the flat blade wheel that I used around the perimeter, but it does the job. So tomorrow I'll work this spot here and all through here, get all this out of there, and then all that over in that direction, get all that cleaned up. And then I believe under these machines over here, it's not very bad. The floor is pretty clean in that spot. So I think once I move that around, I'll assess it for sure, but I may not have to do anything there. So that's it for today. I'm done. Just got to push the machines back in the shop. I got to do that, put the car in, that kind of stuff. But otherwise, exhausted. I'm finished. So I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you're ever in need of 3D product design, 3D injection mold design, 3D die-cast mold design, or 3D printed prototypes or production parts, please feel free to contact me. You can find contact information in the video description. I look forward to hearing from you and to being of service to you. Thank you for watching. As always, I appreciate it. See you on 3D Accuracy's next video.